Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making homemade turkey sausage and homemade pancakes, and I'm going to jump right into it, so let's get started. For the turkey sausage, let me grab some dry seasonings. I'm going to toast fennel seeds on the stove top just for a few moments, hopefully without burning them, and then I'm going to grind them. For the fresh sage, I'm going to remove the leaves from the stems, stack them, roll them, chiffonade them, and then finally chop. After adding the seasonings to the ground turkey, I'm going to make a little test patty and cook it on the stove to taste for seasonings. My mixture does not need any additional seasonings, so I'm going to form the remaining patties and refrigerate them until I'm ready to cook them. Next, I'm going to start the pancake batter. I'm going to whisk together all the dry ingredients, then combine all the wet ingredients, and then pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Since these are apple pancakes, I'm going to peel and grate a fresh apple and add it to the batter. I'm going to squeeze the liquid out of the grated apple before adding to the batter. I'm adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice to the grated apple before it oxidizes any further. And I'm also going to add some freshly squeezed lemon juice to the batter. My pancake batter is a little thick, but that's okay. I've learned over the years in trying to perfect pancake batter that a thicker batter makes for a better pancake. I'm going to set the batter aside for a moment. I always do that when I make pancake batter, whether it's homemade batter or box batter. It seems to change the texture of the batter for the better. While the batter is resting, I'm going to place the sausage patties in the oven and bake them, as well as make a little tea. I actually have a pancake batter dispenser which makes perfectly round pancakes, but because my homemade batter for pancakes is generally pretty thick, the batter doesn't flow out of the dispenser. I'm also going to scramble some eggs, and here I'm chopping up some chives into my eggs. I'm also going to make some whipped topping for my pancakes. I'm finishing off the pancakes with some canned apples, the whipped cream, and a dash of cinnamon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, bye-bye.